मेकअप दादा नहीं, आप मेरा वाला मेकअप ब्रांड मंगाओ ना। शूट परसों है और प्रॉप्स के लिए 10 जगह जाना बाकी है। कल शूट है, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ ढूंढूंगी। मेरा ड्रेस कब आएगा? This was me before I found Deal Come True. Hi, my name is Setu Aneja. I work as a stylist, an actor and a fashion model. Deal Come True has changed everything of the way I go about shopping of fashion and accessories. I can get 100 e-commerce brands to shop from one app. And the best part is I can buy fashion on it in just 3 clicks. It actually saves me a whole lot of time and money. And I really can't do without Deal Come True. It is my buying engine for fashion and lifestyle.